If you've ever wanted to take a business that's already online and create a fully functional, stunning website from it without all the tech headaches, then you are in the right place, because in today's video, we are going to show you how to create a website from Google Maps using Flowith.io. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or just looking to streamline the process, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to Google Maps. Now, from here, search for any business you want to create a website for. Let's say you wanted to have a restaurant, okay, or cleaning services, real estate agents, contractors, or salons. So we're gonna search for a business near Manhattan, New York. Okay, so I wanted to check this specific restaurant, and here's what you need to gather: business name, the address, a phone number, website if available, business description, reviews, photos, services offered, opening hours. This information will help Flowith generate a highly relevant website. Once you have copied the information, go to Flowith and enter a prompt something like this one. Create a professional website for the specific type of business. Of course, the business name, located in the city, include homepage, about a section, services, testimonial based on reviews, contact page with map, and call to action buttons, and of course, make it modern and mobile responsive. It's up to you if you wanted to edit all of these information, but basically this is just an example. All right, and press the start button here. Now, this may take a little while depending on the complexity. At this point, I advise you not to use any VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the loading times. Once everything is complete, it will be divided into groups for easier refinement of each section. The more details you provide, the better the final website will turn out. If you hover down on the bottom, you see that you have the preview of that specific website that we have created. Click the launch preview so we can have a better understanding. And as you may notice, we have successfully created a perfect website that complements the details that we have given on the prompt. You have different sections, the about, okay? You can scroll down right here if you wanted to check more information. So it looks very stylish, very modern, very classy. Now, at this point, of course, we can edit all the information. How? We just have to scroll down on the each groups. We're gonna go on the first group here. You see at the bottom, you have the view and edit. So we're gonna view for now. Click the view button. A new window will pop up here. That's gonna be the editor. You can refine the information provided for the group 1. You can also ask Flowith to improve SEO, add keywords, optimize for local search, add booking forms, and add Google Maps embed. Now, for example, we're going to type in something here. I'm going to press enter. Let's say, optimize this website for local SEO in Seattle for a plumbing business, which is part of the website. Now, the drop-down menu, you have multiple options here. You can save the option as a new node, or if you want to save it, it's okay. You see that here, the export options gives you the ability to export it as a PDF, HTML if you want to run this website to another website provider such as Wix, Squarespace, and a lot more. Or if you want to copy or save it as a markdown, you can do so. You can also pin it if you want. But for now, we're gonna also locate the node on Canvas if you wanted. If you do, it will be forwarded to the specific position. So we're gonna go again to the editor. I'm gonna click on that pane right here. Once I'm happy, I'm gonna go back here on the prompt. I'm gonna type it here, optimize this for local SEO, press enter, okay? And it will create a new node for me. Again, this may take a little while. We'll get back to it shortly. As you can see, we have already created a new node to help with the SEO for local search and to improve the SEO and adding keywords. Now, I'm going to click this icon, which gives you the ability to organize the nodes to make it more cleaner. And then I'm going to hover down at the bottom right here to see our specific website. Okay, so now beside the website node, you see there is a plus button here if you want to add a follow-up node. Now, if you want to see the back end of this website that has been created, click the sidebar here. This will give you the backend codes. You see that? Now you have the option to view and edit. You can download this right here. You can also have the option to change the nodes to make it more visible. For example, we're going to use green. Okay, I'm going to go back again to the front end, which is the website or the sandbox preview, or click the open in a new tab. This will forward you to your live website where you can double check everything to ensure your brand's logo and identity. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to publish your site. However, please note that the publish feature is currently available with paid plans. Right now, I'm on the free plan, so my options are limited. I highly recommend you pick the right plan that fits your needs, goals, and budget. And do not forget to use our affiliate link in the description below because it helps support the channel. Now, while at it, after publishing, you'll have the option to either connect a custom domain or use the default hosting provided by Flowith. If you choose to connect a custom domain, you can easily purchase one and link it to your Flowith project. And with that being said, basically that's it for today's video on how to create website from businesses in Google Maps using Flowith. It's a simple yet powerful tool that helps you transform business profiles into fully functional websites in no time. Whether you're a business owner or a developer, Flowith.io makes the process quick and seamless. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and give business a professional online presence, this platform is definitely worth checking out. With its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Google Maps, creating a website has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.